This is a video that is going to go over using ratio and rate reasoning to solve real-world problems involving unit rates. So these are word problems, but they're not too long. We can do it. So number 1, a store had 2 blue chairs for $22.78 or 6 red chairs for $67.80. Which color of chair has a lower unit price? So first thing we want to do is we want to highlight the question. What it's asking is which color of chair has a lower unit price. Okay. They give us 2 different rates. We're going to highlight both rates. Well, I wonder what a red highlighter looks like. What is this going to look like? Oh, look, it's red. I thought it would be more pastel-y, but anyway. Okay, so 2 blue chairs for $22.78. And then it tells us 6 red chairs for $67.80. So we're going to place all our information into this table. So here we go. It first says blue chair given rate. So the rate they give us is 2 chairs for how much? It's 2 chairs for $22.78. So we're going to write that on here. $22.78. Excuse these squiggles. To find the unit rate, remember, we always do cost over quantity. For $22.78, how many chairs do I get? I get 2 chairs. So this is going to tell me how much 1 chair will cost. So we type that in our calculator, 22.78. That line means division always. Fraction is division. No, not divided by 3. 22.78 divided by 2. So each blue chair is going to be $11.39. $11.39. Now it tells us to put in the red chair given rate. So what did they tell us the red chairs? They said 6 chairs for how much? $67.80. So we're going to say $67.80. Remember, cost is always on top. And how many chairs do we get for $67.80? We get 6 chairs. So this is going to give us our unit price for the red chairs. So $67.80 divided by 6 is 11.3, otherwise known as $11.30. So, oh dang it, I meant to put this down here. So our red chair unit rate is $11.30. So which one's cheaper? Is it cheaper to buy red chairs or blue chairs? Well, we have the red chair unit rate is right here, and the blue chair unit rate is right here. Which one would you rather buy? You'd pick the red chairs, by golly, because they're 9 cents cheaper than the blue chairs. Okay? So this is all about comparing prices, okay? This is going to be a useful life skill. Always asking, when are we going to use this? Well, you're going to use this a lot. I use it a lot. Okay, number 2. At a candy store, you could get 7 giant lollipops for $16.10. How much would it cost to buy 6 lollipops? So again, we're going to highlight our question. How much would it cost to buy 6 lollipops? It gives us a rate. Let's highlight our rate. Our rate is 7 lollipops for $16.10. So the given rate is 7 lollipops for $16.10. Oh my gosh. $16.10. So we want to know, first we need to find out how much 1 lollipop costs. So let's do 16.10 divided by 7, because you get 7 lolly. I'm going to call them lollies. Okay, so 16.10 divided by 7 It's 2.3. So it's going to be $2.30 per lollipop. So to buy 6 lollipops, we're going to take our unit rate of $2.30. Come on. Unit rate of $2.30. And we're going to multiply it by 6 to find out how much 6 lollipops would cost. So let's do 2.30 times 6. 13.8. So it's going to be $13.80. So what is $13.80? Wish there was a better way to zoom out. So 6 lollipops is $13.80. Okay. So that answers our question. 6 lollipops cost $13.80. All right, moving on to the next one. A video game store was getting rid of old games, selling them for $102.05. If they sold 3 games, how much money would they have made? So they give us let's first highlight our question. What's the question we're trying to answer? If they sold 3 games, how much money would they have made? Okay. Now we're going to highlight our rate. So what's the rate they gave us? They gave us 5 games for $102.05. So the given rate is 5 games for $102. Oh my gosh. Nothing works on here. $102.05. So to find the unit, first we need to find out how much one game will cost. So let's do 102.05 divided by 5 games. That's going to give us how much one game costs. So 102.05 divided by 5 is $20.41. So to find out how much, oh look, should have changed this to games, not lollipops. So to find out how much 3 games will cost, I have to take how much one game will cost, which is $20.41, and then I multiply it by 3 to find out how much 3 games will cost. So $20.41 times 3 equals $61.23. So if we are going to answer the question, if they sold 3 games, how much money would they have made? So if they sold 3 games, they would have made $61.23. So I want you guys to try out the rest of these. They are all pretty similar to the first 3 questions. So if you're not sure, go back and look. So number 4 says, it doesn't says. Number 4 says, a store had 4 packs of paper for $7.44. How much would it cost if you were to buy 5 packs? The book fair had a sale where 5 books were $25.85. If you wanted to buy 6 books, how much money would you need? At the market, you can buy 6 bags of apples for $31.02. At the orchard, you can get 5 bags of apples for $25.40. Which is the better deal? Number 7. At the store, beef jerky was $27.52 for 2 pounds. If you bought 5 pounds, how much would it cost? Number 8. An ice company charged $9.60 for 6 bags of ice. How much would 4 bags of ice cost? On Monday, the price for bottled water was 5 bottles for $12.20. On Saturday, the price was 3 bottles for $7.65. Which day had a higher unit price? In September, a clothing store had a sale where you could get 7 scarves for $40.39. In October, you could get 5 scarves for $37.50. In which month did the scarf cost the most? All right, so make sure you're underlining the questions so that you can answer them properly, because some of them are kind of tricky. Otherwise, use these 3 problems to help you through. Fill out the table. I am here to help you if you need it. Good luck.